To share with you this swim snorkel. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and see what we have.
This is the snorkel. It does have a swivel headband, which ultimately helps fit very well. It also has a silicone mouthpiece. The snorkel is a practical everyday tool for daily exercising. All of the plastics seem very durable and of high quality. It came with some instruction manuals. It came with 3 airflow breathing control caps, a 30%, a 50%, and a 70%. They were very easy to install and to change out. My son is going to help demonstrate. Now you can tighten and adjust the strap very easily and ensures a perfect fit. The curved forehead piece really hugged his forehead and it fit very well. My son really liked it because it was so hands-free and it was easily movable and adjustable. The snorkel stayed in place as he did his flips and his strokes. All in all, we think this is a great snorkel and we do suggest it. Have a nice day.